Alright, hey there everyone, XDRT here, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial how to solve Rubik's Cube. You know, this is the normal 3x3. If you want to do more tutorials in the future, I mean, like, I have this gear ball thing, which I recommend starting out with. But here it is the example. So basically, you're going to require... So, okay, this is basically the solve. So basically, first... I'll come back when it's fully mixed up. Basically, what you do to solve the actual cube is then you first gotta take out your iPad, go to Amazon.com, order the exact same one that you got. So when you get it, it'll be completely, because when you get a new cube, basically it's always like completely solved and everything. This is the one I got, as you can see here. So order that. And once you've done, and once you've done that, basically all you do, you've got a new cube. It's all completely solved, and you can just keep repeating this process over and over again. Probably be broke. I can't speak today. At the end of it, but it doesn't matter. You solve the cube. You can show off to your friends. You solved it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
We'll be right back.